So today we're representing the 14th Brooklyn, New York State Militia during the era of the American Civil War. So one of the things that is unique about the 14th Brooklyn is that it's the only regiment during the Civil War to be named for a city instead of a state. One of the unique things. And the other thing we also like to talk about, of course, is, when you think of the Civil War, you think of the blue and the gray, right? North War blue, South War gray. But of course, as you notice with our uniforms, the red, it's a little bit different. So at the time of this era, the French military was extremely popular. So you'll see a lot of reds, a lot of oranges, a lot of vibrant colors. So our regiment, the 14th, adopted a variation of one of these uniforms called chasseurs that they adopted and they actually used throughout their enlistment in the Civil War. So the reds, right, the red kepis, the red trousers. You'll notice some of the other guys over there, you can see, the white gaiters that they're wearing. And they went off. So 1961, President Abraham Lincoln calls for 75,000 volunteers to suppress the Southern Rebellion. So the 14th Brooklyn was one of many regiments to raise their hands, and they volunteered for service. And they went down to Washington, D.C., and they fought in the Army of the Potomac and most of the major engagements of the Civil War. So they were at First Bull Run, Second Bull Run, Antietam. They were one of the few regiments to actually fight all 3 days at the Battle of Gettysburg. So if you actually visit Gettysburg today, you'll see 3 monuments to the 14th Brooklyn, one at the railroad cut, one in McPherson's Woods, and one at Culp's Hill. So after that service, they served for one more year in 1864 when they went and fought at the Wilderness and Spotsylvania Courthouse. When that was done, their enlistments were up and they returned to Brooklyn because at the time of the Civil War, there were no 5 boroughs to New York. Brooklyn actually was its own independent city and it had its own government, its own mayor. And when they returned home, they got a hero's welcome and they went on their way. And some of the other guys actually enlisted in other regiments to continue their service and finish up the war.
Thank you.